Hello and welcome. Today, let's take a calming journey into the world of lavender oil, one of nature's most versatile and beloved essential oils. For centuries, lavender has been cherished not just for its gentle fragrance, but also for its wide range of healing properties. First, let's talk about relaxation. Lavender oil is best known for its calming effect on the mind and body. Just a few drops in a diffuser or even inhaling directly from the bottle can help ease stress, reduce anxiety, and create a peaceful atmosphere. Many people also use it before bedtime because lavender is known to improve sleep quality and heal or fight insomnia. Secondly, lavender oil is a natural remedy for the skin. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it useful for soothing acne, calming irritated skin, and even helping minor cuts or burns heal faster. Some also apply it to insect bites since it can reduce itching and swelling. Now, let's not forget about the pain relief. Lavender oil, when diluted with a carrier oil and massaged onto the body, can help relieve sore muscles, headaches, or even menstrual cramps. Its soothing aroma combined with gentle massage creates a powerful, natural way to ease discomfort. Beyond the body, lavender oil is also wonderful for emotional balance. It's often used in aromatherapy to uplift mood, reduce restlessness, and promote a sense of inner calm. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed, tense, or just need a moment of stillness, lavender can help ground you. In some cultures, lavender leaves are actually added to sauces and soups to enhance taste and flavor, and some cultures also enjoy to take lavender tea. And finally, lavender isn't only about relaxation. It can also freshen the environment. A few drops in a spray bottle with water makes a natural air freshener. You can also add it to laundry or use it as a gentle fragrance for your home, giving everything a clean, soothing scent. To sum it up, lavender oil supports relaxation, better sleep, skin health, pain relief, emotional well-being, and even a fresher living space. It's truly a natural multitasker, offering both beauty and healing in just one little bottle. Thank you for listening, and I hope this inspires you to explore the gentle power of lavender oil in your daily life.